I'm here. So are we. Okay, we're gonna go and we're going to patrol the border closest to Shadow Clan. Are we gonna go near the Thunder Path? Possibly. We need to go now. Okay. We're by the Sunning Rocks now. It's so hot. I think here's a good place to just rest. Yeah. He has black cough. We need to find some catmint. But isn't that only in the two-leg place? Yes, that's exactly why we need to hurry. It's almost black cough is almost always fatal. Can't just let him die. But you can't go alone. Come back, Pink Fur. Flower Star. What is it, Pink Fur? We need to patrol out to find some catmint. How come? Well, Pine Spot has black cough. You're kidding. No. And we need some urgently. The coughing is just getting worse every second. Well, unfortunately, we cannot set out a patrol right now. Our strongest and our warriors with the best noses have already went on patrol. Oh dear. Pink Fur, you need to calm down. He'll be okay. But it's up into my paws to keep him that way. And if I can't, what am I? You're a medicine cat. You do the best you can. That doesn't mean you can always fix things. Okay. Thank you. Pink Fur. Wait. Let her be. Yes, Flower Star. Hey guys. Hey, what's up? Pink Fur is just a little upset right now. What's wrong? What happened? Pine Spot has black cough. Isn't that disease like almost every time fatal? That's exactly the point. Is that why she's crazy? Yes. We don't know what to do. It'll be fine. He'll get over it. He's my favorite elder. And quite literally the only one. Yeah. He used to play with us as kids. Yeah, he used to play with me too. That's why I don't want him to go. And I want to help, but Flower Star says I should just leave Pink Fur alone. Should we spy? Yeah. Walk quiet as a mouse. Come over here. Pine Spot, I don't want you to go. You have black cough. I do? Yes, and we can't get any catmint because they're all at the two-leg place and there's already a patrol out. I'm so sorry I failed you. No, you haven't failed me. I could tell my time is coming. No, the apprentices, they love you. They need you. I get that, but I can't stay. Why not? StarClan awaits. StarClan has already put up a spot for me. They can tell I'm not going to make it. Oh, StarClan, please. I can't watch. Ow. can't watch either. Ugh, babies. Hey. Heart Paw, what are you doing? I wonder what this does. Don't eat that. Don't eat what? Oh my god, do not eat those. Why would you eat that? You're gonna get severely sick. What? Then why is it in the medicine den? That's for the cats who need to get sick in order to get stuff out of their system. So they throw it up. Oh no. Ugh. I do kind of feel sick. Pink Fur? Oh, God. Come in. Heart Paw is sick. She kind of consumed something. What did you consume? I don't know. I just accidentally got it in my mouth. Go sit over there. Thank you for telling me. You guys stay here. I'm gonna talk to Flower Star. I think this is the place. Traveled far to get here. Ah, there she is. Hey, where are you taking me? Shh, or I'll kill you. Tailstar's gonna like you. You think we should bring her some fresh kill? In a second. This is a really good sunbathing spot. I've got to admit, you're right. Heart Paw? Where's Heart Paw?